Stop. Don't hate me. Don't hate me for not liking these products and for regretting buying these products. Please don't hate me. What's up, my beautiful butterflies? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. So we are doing a video of products that I wish I never bought. Not because I don't like them per se, some of them because I don't like them, but also because there are so many better options out there, and I didn't think about what they were before. I didn't do the research that I do now when I first started doing my channel. So it kind of bit me in the ass. So that's what we're doing today. So, and disclaimer, just because I am not happy that I bought them doesn't mean you need to be unhappy that you bought them. Please remember that, okay? So sit back, relax, grab a glass of wine, cup of tea, cup of coffee, and let's get into things that I wish I never bought. He's not one of them. He's not one of the things that I regret buying. So we're gonna start with skincare. So during my haul, I don't know if you guys remember during my haul, my e.l.f. haul, I'm gonna post a picture of it right here. Or right here, wherever there's more room. And I bought a bunch of skincare stuff, like a bunch. And one of them was the Holy Hydration Coconut Mist. I think I've used it, I literally have used it that much. It's not a bad product. I just don't hold the bottle at several inches from the face and spray. First of all, I hate when people say that because, like, that's normal, right? When you're like, put your hand all the way out. Like, how is that normal? Anyway, it says you can put it over your makeup or bare skin. You have to shake it first, because you know me, I don't shake. Okay, it is very coconutty, and it is not a mist. It is a spray. It's probably one of the reasons why I didn't like it, because it's a spray. I don't know. I have to think about this one now.
Don't hurt yourself, big boy.
But I also don't know necessarily want my face smelling like coconut all day. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. This one may have been a premature one, but I don't think so because I don't use it. That is why I regret it. Okay, I'm not going back and forth in my processes, okay? The second one, I was so excited to have because everyone was into those vitamin C serums, and I mean, they still are, but like, I mean, and this one was sold out on e.l.f. for like months. So I finally got my hands on it. It's the vitamin C serum. It's antioxidant enriched skin protection. I was so excited to use it, except it caused me to break out, if I'm not mistaken. Like, I only used it a couple of times, because I think it caused me to break out. I really didn't think that it was doing anything for me. I think it was just causing me to break out. Next, we're gonna go to beauty sponges. Now, I know I did a video on comparing my Aesthetica Beauty Sponge with the OG Beauty Blender. That was the one and only time I used my Beauty Blender, because I was so excited to buy the Beauty Blender. The OG. You know, the fact that you have to replace them every like 3 to 4 months, that's $100 just on a sponge. Just on a sponge. You can get like 8, or the ones that I got from Beaky, 5 or 6 for $8. That's not even half of what I paid for this. Explain the logic to me.
I saved a lot of money last year, so this year I'm going to spend more money.
They all work pretty much the same. You get the same, okay, except for the under eye thing that I claim, whatever. But like, it was just a gimmick. It's a way to spend the money. Oh, I have to have the original Beauty Blender because it works better. It works the same, guys.
That happened, and we all let it happen.
Now, I'm not saying hate your Beauty Blender. This is my opinion. But while we're on the subject of beauty blenders, we're going to go into my next one. Okay, so when I first started my channel, I wasn't thinking about cost effectiveness or, what's that word? We're like, just common sense, I guess I was missing or something. So I saw something else from Beauty Blender that I was just like, ooh, I like that. Let's buy it. So this is their powder puff, and you have the ability to like switch the rubber band over. I just like flung a bunch of powder, and I guess this is like a smoothing side. I've never actually used this side. It was $15, right? I get like 8 of these for $6. And I think they work better because you can actually, with the corner, you can really get into the crevices of your inner eye. And like, if it gets dirty, yes, I know it's wasteful. I know, no environmentalists, please don't come after me, please. Please, please, please. But I mean, I use this so much. This one's a brand new one, and the other one's in my room. I use these so much more often than I do this now. Like, I don't understand the point of purchasing something that you're gonna have to replace. $15, 6 for like 6 for 6, 6 for 8. I will link everything down below, but they work just as well. My next products, I went like so over the top with. I saw one on Manny MUA, and then I saw one on Jen Phelps, and then, excuse me, and then I saw one on Kelly Strack, and I said, wow, those are really cool. Let me buy one. They were like sold out everywhere. What am I talking about?
It's a what? What is it?
They are the Revlon Super Lustrous Glass Shine lipsticks. They were sold out everywhere. Only find them on Amazon. They were not cheap, and I got 4.
Where the hell is she getting the money from?
Because each one that I bought was the wrong shade, or the shade was not like, okay, and I'll tell you why. So I think this is my first one. Yes, no, it was this one. Okay, so this one was my first one. It's called Glassy Pink. Remember the name, Pink. Does this look pink? No. Does this look pink? No. It's more of a coral. How do people do this? It's more of a coral, not a pink. Like seriously, how do people do that? So this was mistake number 1, and I wasn't able to return it. So, you know, me being who I am, let's try another one, right? Let's try one that actually is pink. So this one is called Dazzle Me Pink. It's a little bit pinker. This doesn't look like the same color as this. They look pretty much the same, don't they? Dazzle Me Pink and Glazed Pink. Let me tell you though, they do have that lip glossy consistency of a lipstick. I will give you that. I will give you that. I will give you that. So then I was watching Kelly Strack because I feel like she and I have very similar skin tones, but I could be extremely wrong. She recommended toasting glasses. See, here's the thing. I was originally on the hunt for one particular color that Manny MUA tried. And I was like, I have to try. I couldn't find it anywhere. I couldn't find it anywhere. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to settle for other colors.
Don't do that.
This is toasting glasses. It's a little dark for my skin. And then finally, I was able to purchase the one that I wanted. Okay. It's called Glossed Up Rose. Gorgeous color, right? I'm not saying it's not a gorgeous color. No, it is. Glossed Up Rose, toasting glasses, Dazzle Me Pink, Glazed Pink, right? Okay. So let me tell you. So I finally get my hands on this, right? I haven't used it once.
Are you kidding me?
Because I realized afterwards, I'm not a lipstick wearer very much. I'm a lip gloss, lip oil, lip tint wearer. I'm not a lip gloss. I'm lipstick wearer. Like, now I'm gonna have these on for the rest of my video. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't thinking. Next, we're gonna go into eyes. If you follow my channel, you may know what I'm gonna say next, but you may not. And there's the element of surprise, which is what I love to do for my people. For my butterflies. Okay, the Revlon Color Stay Cream Eyeshadow. I've only used it once in that video, and I do not plan to wear it again. I did not like the way it went on. It was weird, and I know I bought it because Harmon's is going out of business, and I wanted to buy as many things as I could from the store, because, yeah, impulse buy. I may have to, like, try this one out again as like a topper. I think that's what I said I was going to use this for. It was for a topper shade or like a highlighting thing. Okay, so this is the cream shadow. It's not very creamy. It really has the same consistency as just like a regular eyeshadow. So impulse buy, bad. Number what, 75 that I'm doing today? Bad impulse buy. The e.l.f. No Budge Cream Eyeshadow. I may not have put this on right, but I'm also 99% positive that this does not get a good review on Ulta's website. It is, the pot is weird, and it looks like crap. Like literal crap on your face. e.l.f., I love you. If you're watching this video, I love your stuff. I do. This is just odd, and it has a very weird consistency. It doesn't really feel like, I don't even know, I mean, it may be good for a bronzer or contouring. I don't know. You tell me what this looks like. I mean, great, and now it's not gonna come off my arm because it's no budge. Just as an FYI, when they say no budge, they mean no budge. I had to scrub it off my arm just now. I can only imagine what my eyes would feel like. My arm feels raw. I can only imagine what my eyes would feel like if I was scrubbing it off. Like, that was painful. Regular water didn't do it. Soap and water didn't do it. I had to scrub with micellar water. Like, you shouldn't be scrubbing your eyes. Look at that. It looks like I got a friggin' like amateur hickey or something. I was really wanting to love it. It makes your eyes feel so heavy because of how sticky it is. Like,
That's what she said.
I don't like it, and now I have it all over my fingers too. Okay, so please mind the dirtiness. It looks like I have a disease. Okay. Literally, we're doing like half of my videos of products that I regret buying. The Tarte Fake Awake and the Flower Beauty Eyeliner. This is so creamy to the point where once you apply it, yeah, it looks great on your skin if you can really see it, but it smudges so fast. You blink and it's gone. So that is why I regret buying it. I don't use it. I don't like it. I'm sorry I bought it. Now for the Tarte Fake Awake one, I don't think it's as creamy. It's definitely not as creamy, and it definitely stays on a little bit longer if you like blink and do a lot of that moisture stuff on your eyes. So I'm telling you, this is like 95%, not 9, it's like the beginning part of my channel is really what this is. Okay, last but not least, we have the Essence Wake Me Glow Liquid Highlighter. Now the only reason why I regret buying it is because I did not know it was discontinued when I bought it. I do not like wearing discontinued makeup on my channel because then you can't buy it. If you end up liking it, you can't buy it. So I apologize. And I've actually never worn it, even in real life, because of the fact that, like, little clunky chunky. I mean, it's pretty. Did I really just put it on like the wrong? Okay, so it's pretty, but it's kind of meh. No. Yes, it was, what was it? It was like $1. I'm wearing Essence on my eyes today. I like Essence. I like their blushes. I like their eyeshadows. I really like their waterproof like a boss mascara. But like, it's very lackluster as a highlighter. Again, if you liked any of these products, I am not saying don't like them. I'm saying they didn't work for me. Sometimes my impulse buys work out. Sometimes they don't. But okay, any of these products, if you like them, by all means, keep liking them. I am not saying don't. I am just saying they didn't work out for me. And if they do work out for you, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, YouTube has officially let small YouTubers like myself participate in the community tab, which will allow me to ask you guys questions, polls, and everything like that. So you'll be able to type into me what type of video you want to see next. Like, I'll give you like a list of videos, like ideas, and you'll vote which ones you want to see next. And it's gonna be like a whole game changer for me. I'm like 99.9% positive. I'm like really scared to move my arm anywhere close to my shirt. Everything on my face will be linked down below. My affiliate links in the description box. These products that still sell, I can also link them too. If you do end up liking them or you have liked them, you can get them. Again, these are my opinions. If you like these videos, if you like watching me act like a fool, if you like seeing more videos on dupes, tricks, tips, hacks, first impressions, is it worth it, all that jam, and you want to join the kaleidoscope, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below so you can be alerted as to when I post new videos, which is every Tuesday and Friday. And oh, if you see me wearing the same shirt multiple times in like the next couple of videos, or like in 2 videos in a row or something, it's because I'm filming a bunch of videos all at once because I'm not going to be available next week. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, evening, wherever you are when you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you, my butterflies. I'll see you soon. Bye!